Hello students, welcome to our English class. Now let us start our lesson number 4.6, The Phantom Toll Booth, a book review. The name of our lesson 4.6 is The Phantom Toll Booth. What is meant by phantom? Phantom is a ghost, and toll booth. Toll booth is a small place. The side of the road is called toll booth. This story takes place in San Francisco in States. The small boy Milo is the main character of this story. The book Phantom Toll Booth is introduced in the passage. The name of our book is The Phantom Toll Booth. The Phantom Toll Booth is called Phantom Toll Booth because he is a ghost. It disappears after Milo has passed it. The book was written more than 50 years ago. Norman Juster is a writer of this book. Now let us start our lesson, The Phantom Toll Booth. Milo was a young boy who lived in San Francisco in the States. He lacked for nothing. Being an only child at home, he was surrounded by all sorts of expensive toys. In school too, there was nothing that he could complain about, but Milo was bored. Nothing really interested him. He thought of everything as waste of time and school as the greatest waste of time of all. Poor Milo. Here student, a young boy name was Milo who lived in San Francisco in the States. He lacked for nothing. Lacked for nothing means everything he wanted, had everything he wanted, lacked for nothing. Being an only child at home, he was surrounded by all sorts of expensive toys. In school too, even school also, there was nothing that he could complain about. But Milo was bored. He was not satisfied. Nothing really interested him. He thought of everything as waste of time and school as the greatest waste of time of all. Milo was a very genius boy, so sometimes he thought of everything as a waste of time. Everything was as a waste of time and school as the greatest waste of time of all. See here student, school as the greatest waste of time. There is nothing for me to do. Now where I had cared to go and hardly anything worth seeing. He thought, you must have guessed by now that Milo belonged an age when TV, video games and computer were not invented. You just guessed student. You just guessed by now that Milo belonged to an age when TV, video games, mobile, computer were not invented, but on one long afternoon like any other. Students, one long afternoon like any other, Milo suddenly received a huge parcel. Huge means big parcel with a bright blue envelope attached to one side. The envelope was addressed to him. The address on envelope for Milo who has plenty of time. See here the address to him for Milo. Only for Milo that envelope who has plenty of time. The return of that envelope who has plenty of time. Wouldn't you be surprised if something like this happened to you? So was Milo also surprised? I don't think it's my birthday. He puzzled. He confused. Puzzle means confused. I don't think it's my birthday and Christmas must month away and I haven't been outstanding good or even good at all. Milo was an honest boy. Milo was a genius boy. So he admitted the last bit to himself. He couldn't return the parcel. See here, Milo couldn't return the parcel. There was no sender's address on it. Due to the no sender address on the parcel, he couldn't return. Just in order to polite means kindly, Milo decided to open the envelope. At last, Milo decided to open that envelope. One genuine means real. Turnpike toll booth. Turnpike means a wide road. Turnpike means a wide road which you have to pay a toll to use. Turnpike toll booth. It was written inside, easily assembled at home and for use by those who have never travelled in land beyond. See here, easily assembled at home and for use by those who have never traveled in land beyond. Like you, Milo was also intrigued by the words. Intrigued means very interested and curious to uh, write that words, to read that words. Like you, Milo was also intrigued by the words lands beyond. Such a word, lands beyonds. Like you, Milo was intrigued by words land beyonds. There was also a list of content of the parcel it contained. There also a list of contents of the parcel. The parcel contained first number genuine turnpike toll booth to be erected according to direction. There 3 precautionary sign to be used in the precautionary fashion. Assorted coin for use in paying tool. 1 map up to date and carefully drawn by master cartographers depicting natural and man-made feature. 1 book of rules and traffic regulation which may not be bent or broken.